time is slipping by to meet our fate we run. If it were as simple every task it would be done.